A peaceful Taylor Swift-themed dance workshop turned into a nightmare when a knife-wielding attacker stormed in, leading to a horrifying incident that left 2 children dead and several others injured. Among the brave souls who rushed to help was Jonathan Hayes, a 63-year-old businessman, who was stabbed in the leg while trying to disarm the attacker. The tranquil atmosphere of the dance studio, which hosted a sold-out dance, yoga, and bracelet-making workshop, was shattered by the frenzied assault. Jonathan Hayes, whose office is in the same building, heard the screams and instinctively ran towards the chaos. His wife, Helen, 57, recounted how he tried to shield the children from the knife man, putting himself between them and danger. Despite his courageous efforts, 2 children tragically lost their lives, and 11 others, including 9 more children, were injured. Helen shared with the Telegraph that her husband is deeply troubled by his inability to prevent the brutal attack, even though he acted with immense bravery. She detailed the harrowing moments, explaining how Jonathan tried to wrest the knife from the attacker, resulting in his leg injury. She also highlighted the hidden location of the dance studio, suggesting that the attacker must have known where to find it. Witnesses described the heroic actions of others who intervened. 2 yoga instructors leading the class were critically injured as they attempted to protect the children. One locked herself and a child in a toilet, while the other guided some children to safety through a fire exit. Local residents and workers from nearby businesses also rushed to help, some managing to subdue the attacker. A 17-year-old boy from Banks, Merseyside, is currently in custody on suspicion of murder and attempted murder. Police have stated that the motive remains unclear, and they are not treating the incident as terror-related. All victims are receiving treatment in hospitals across Liverpool and Manchester. In the wake of the tragedy, messages of condolence and support have poured in from across the nation. The King and Queen expressed their profound shock and sympathy for the victims and their families. The Prince and Princess of Wales, the Prime Minister, and Home Secretary Yvette Cooper also conveyed their heartfelt condolences and praised the emergency responders for their swift and compassionate actions. Jonathan Hayes' heroism, alongside the bravery of other adults and emergency responders, exemplifies the courage and selflessness displayed in the face of such a tragic event. As the community of Southport mourns the loss and prays for the recovery of those injured, the nation stands united in support, grieving together and hoping for healing and justice.